My name is Prashant Gavari. My roll number is 20. My topic of seminar is reflection. Reflection of light. Understanding how light bounces. Discover the fascinating world of light reflection and how it shapes everything we see around us in our daily lives. What is reflection and why does it matter? Reflection occurs when light rays strike a surface and bounce back, allowing us to see objects around us. Without reflection, our world would be invisible. This phenomenon enables vision, creates beautiful rainbows, helps solar cookers function efficiently, and make mirrors work in our homes. Enables vision. We see objects only because of light reflects of them into our eyes. Creates natural beauty. Rainbow, moonlight, shimmering water surface all depend on reflection. Light reflection creates stunning natural phenomena we encounter daily. Fundamental laws governing light reflection. First law of reflection. The incident ray, reflected ray, and normal to the surface all lie in the same plane. This ensures predictable reflection patterns. Second law of reflection. The angle of incident equals the angle of reflection. This fundamental principle governs how light bounces off surface consistently. These laws, discovered centuries ago, form the foundation of optics, help us understand mirrors, telescope, and countless optical devices used today. Types of reflection: regular versus diffuse. First, regular reflection. It occurs on smooth, polished surface like mirrors and still water. Light rays reflect in parallel direction, creating clear, sharp images. For example, mirrors in bathrooms, calm water surfaces, polished metal surfaces. Second is diffuse reflection. It happens on rough surface like walls, paper, and clothing. Light scatters in many directions, making objects visible from all angles. Example: painted walls, book pages, fabric materials. Real world examples around us. First is mirrors in our daily life. Bathroom mirrors, dressing table mirrors, and rear view mirrors in vehicles all use regular reflection to create clear images for practical purpose. Second is water surface. Calm lakes, ponds, and even puddles act as a natural mirrors, creating beautiful reflection of the sky, trees, and surrounding landscape. Third is polished metals. Stainless steel utensils, brass items, and silver jewelry reflect light efficiently, making them appear bright and shiny in our homes. Applications in Indian households: solar cookers. Parabolic reflectors concentrate sunlight to generate heat for cooking. This eco-friendly technology harnesses reflection to cook meals without fuel, helping families save money and reduce pollution. Traditional lamps. Brass diyas, emitter reflectors behind oil lamps amplify light output. The curved surface reflect and focus light, illuminating homes more effectively during festival and daily use. These applications demonstrate how reflection principle enhance everyday life while preserving our cultural traditions and promoting sustainable living practices. Reflection in optical instruments. First is Periscope. It is used in submarines and by children for observing over obstacles. Two mirrors positioned at 45-degree angles reflect light twice, allowing users to see around corners safely. Kaleidoscopes. Three mirrors arranged in a triangle create stunning symmetrical patterns from ordinary objects. Multiple reflections produce mesmerizing designs that delight both children and adults. These instruments showcase how understanding reflection laws enables us to create tools that extend human vision and provide entertainment through optical science. Reflection in nature's wonders. Moonlight reflection. Sunlight bounces off the moon's rocky surface to earth. Rainbow optics. Droplet refract then reflect light separate colors. Moonlight phenomena. The moon doesn't produce its own light. We see it because sunlight reflects off its rocky surface back to earth, creating the beautiful lunar glow we admire at night. Rainbow formation. Rainbow form when sunlight reflects and refracts inside water droplets. Each droplet acts like a tiny prism, separating white light into a spectacular color bands. Common misconceptions debunked. Myth. First is dark objects don't reflect light. Truth. All objects reflect some light. Dark objects absorb more wavelengths but still reflect enough light for us to see them. Complete absorption would make objects invisible. Second myth, only smooth surface can reflect light. Truth is, rough surface also reflect light but diffusely. This scattered reflection is actually why we can see most objects around us every day. Third myth is light travels in curved path during reflection. Truth. Light always travels in a straight lines. The apparent bending we observe is actually light changing directions at the point of reflection on the surface. Key takeaways and practical applications. Master the basics. Remember the angle of incidence equals angle of reflection and all three rays lie in one plane. Second, observe daily examples. Notice reflection in mirrors, water surfaces, and even rough walls around your home and school. Third, conduct simple experiments. Use torches and mirrors to verify reflection laws and explore how different surface affects light behavior. Apply knowledge creatively. Design periscopes under solar cookers efficiency and appreciate natural phenomena like rainbow scientifically. Understanding light reflection opens doors to careers in optics, astronomy, photography, and engineering while helping you appreciate the science behind everyday experiences. Thank you so much.